the main difference between the files and folders. We discussed that. And file is a single, it's similar to money, and folders, it's like your wallet. So money and wallet, you put your money in the wallet. You put your money in the wallet. So files, you can put it inside the folders. So the key component is money. Similar to that, the key component is files. So if you have files, you can put those files into the folders. Folders without files is useless because folders are just to arrange the files. So folders without files, useless. Then we learn the properties of files. And so we also learned the file has something called, what is this? TXT, RTF, what that is called?
Extension.
Extension. Yes, exactly. Correct. Very good. So file has something called file name and extension. And then we discuss how to create files and folders in Windows environment. Also, we discuss how to create files and folders using command prompt. And today we are going to discuss about how to open a file and edit it. So that is today's discussion. So these are practical topics. So it may take some more time to complete these things because this is a practical session. I have to demonstrate and I have to explain. Then if you want, you can also do this while I'm explaining. You can also try this. You can also do this with me, or you can watch what I'm doing. Okay, first of all, let's create a, so if you are doing this with me, you can do this now. First, let's create a file. I'm going to use TeamViewer session to access remotely access my Windows computer. So this is how you do your practicals basically. If anyone missed the practical sessions, so I'll check whether you missed the practical session with this attendance marking. I can check the practicals. If you miss attendance, if you miss practicals, Tenuja, did you come for the practicals? Tenuja?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay, great. I think some of you missed the practical sessions, right?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I miss the practical. I put the name Wednesday.
That means tomorrow.
Yeah.
Please give a kind reminder tomorrow. What you have to do is you have to send us this TeamViewer ID and the password. Then only we can connect like this, right? So if you provide us the TeamViewer ID and the password, then we can connect. So then we will connect from our machine, our computers to your computer, similar to this. This is how we are doing the practicals. Then we can see what you are doing in your computer. Here you can see the Windows computer. Then I'm going to work in the Windows computer now. When I do something in the Windows computer, here you can see it. So this is how we are going to monitor you. This is not hacking, right? So don't worry, this is not hacking because we just know, you know that we can see you. So what you have to do, if you don't want us to see, then you can just cross this, cancel this connection by crossing this. Right? Because this is non-access, this is not hidden access, this is non-access to your computer. You give the permission and that's why we are accessing and we can see what you are doing and you can see what we are doing in your computer. That is mutual.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
So I join now. What are you doing?
We were discussing about just remote access, right? I think Shamin, you know that. So no need to worry. And Shamin, also one more thing, I just want to mark your attendance. Quickly tell me your name and what classes that you are coming.
Coming the downloader.
You're coming for grade 8 only? Or 8, 9? Or 7?
Grade 8, 10, 7.
7, 8, right. Okay, thanks.
Okay, sir.
Right, okay. Now, this is what remote access. What you have to do first, please create a document, right click in your desktop. You can do this with me. Right click in your desktop, create new, and this time select text file. Right click in your desktop, empty place, then select new, then select text file, text document. Okay, please note these things, very important. You can see the file name and extension both. If you cannot see, please let me know. Let me rename the file as grade 8. Now it is grade 8.txt. Grade 8 is the file name, txt is the extension. So when you create this, can you see both file name and extension?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, I don't see the extension.
Sir, I don't see the extension, sir.
Yes, if you cannot see the extension, don't worry. Press Windows button and E. Windows button and E key. Windows button E key. That will open the Explorer, File Explorer. Windows E. If you cannot see the extension, others also can do this. Windows button and E. Then you can see the Explorer. When you see the Explorer, go to View tab. This one, Home, Share, View. Go to View tab. There, please tick. Put a tick. Hariyak danna menna me file name extension. Please put a tick to file name extension. Then you can see the file name extension. Okay. Can you see it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
So this is how you see the extension of the file. In case if you missed, this is how you see the extension of the file. Right. Okay. Let me close the window now. So please create this one, grade8.txt. Please create this one, grade8.txt.
Sir, can we use another name?
Yeah, you can use any name. I don't mind. It's up to you. Then double click on the file and open it. After creating, please double click on the file and open it. So can you tell me the program which is used to open it? How it is opened? Using which program?
Notepad. By using Notepad.
By using Notepad.
Right. Yes, it uses Notepad. Okay, let's do small thing. Let's do small thing. So you saw that this is opened using Notepad. So let's do small change. Just do something like this. So here I'm going to mark the extension. Okay, I'll mark the extension. This one. Please change this extension to this txt, this extension. Please change this extension to dot docx. .docx. Please change the extension to .docx. Don't change the name, right? Keep the name as it is, but here right click and rename. Select rename.
The warning comes that if you change a file name extension, file might become can't.
Yeah, that doesn't matter. You can just click OK to that warning. Put docx and press enter.
Sir, it become a Word document.
Yes, you can click yes to this. Click yes. And you can see now it's showing as, you can see now it's showing to you as a Word document. Just double click. Just double click on the Word document. How it's open?
Open with Word.
Open with Word. Okay, it's open with Word. Please remember this, right? TXT.
Sir, if we put PPTX, it opens it PowerPoint.
Yes, it opens with PowerPoint. Let's change this. So if you want, you can change this. Remove the docx part. Only the extension, don't change the name. grade8.pptx. Now it will be opened using PowerPoint. Change it like grade8. Let's say XLSX. It will open using Excel.
XL.
XL, SX. XL, X, SX. So that is XL. So please change this to TXT again. Just change it to TXT again. TXT again. Click yes. Open the file and write hello. And then write MD 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And save the file. Go to file menu. Go to file menu. And
Control S.
oh, yes, you can press Control S, or you can go to file menu and save it. Save it. Okay, after that, close it and double click again. How it's open? Again using Notepad.
Okay.
If you close it and open again, it will be open using Notepad. Now, go and change the extension to, now please change the extension to BAT, BAT. Now grade 8.BAT.
Okay, sir.
Now double click.
The command from Kman make AB 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and ABCD file folders.
Yeah,
Sorry.
it will create.
Sir, it is going without my commands.
Sorry.
So it says this app can't run on your PC.
So may I know the app that computer that you are using? Is it MacBook or Linux machine? May I know the computer that you are using? Is it a MacBook?
Yes, it's a MacBook.
Sir,
Yeah, if it is a MacBook, it won't run. Don't worry. If it's a
sir,
MacBook,
it's closed.
Excuse me, sir.
yes.
Sir, it's
Excuse me.
closed down without stopping.
Sir, it closed down without starting, sir.
Yeah, that's true. It's closed down. Without stopping, it will close down. That will happen.
No, sir, my one scrolls down. Scrolls down. I don't understand why is that.
Right, okay. Right. So don't worry. So if you are, so some of you are asking about the Edmodo, so I'll explain this Edmodo thing. Right. So Zoom is the media that we are conducting lessons in Zoom lectures. But why Edmodo is there? Here, this is the Edmodo one. Why Edmodo is there? In Edmodo, you can see the past lectures. So if you go to the classes and if you log into your class, which is grade 8, let's say grade 8 English medium. In grade 8 English medium, you can see all the past lectures. So you can see all the past lectures as well as the assignment, examinations, assessment, and quizzes, right? And also you can see the Zoom link. You can also see the Zoom link, but anyway, to the live lecture, you have to connect using Zoom. The Zoom link will be shared to the, so it's already shared actually. It's already shared to your Edmodo. So no need to search this again, right? So when you are asking Shamin, when you're asking questions and all, I think it's better to send a message, because if you like comment like this, I have to approve the comment. Then I have to go to the post and review that. Then just the same.
Okay, sir.
So that's why I have not replied. First I have to approve. Then I have to find the comment and then reply. That is kind of difficult thing here. So what I have to do is, what you have to do, just use the message option. Right? When you go to your profile, right? You have option to message. Here you can send a message. You can click message and you can select me and send a message. Then I can reply to that. Right? Please click on
Sir,
me.
how to select you?
No need to select, right? So here I can select anyone. So when you go to your profile, there's a message option.
Writing
Then
by
you can,
writing your name.
yeah, you can just write my name and that will select me. When you click new message, you can write the name and here, let's see, Tenuja. So it will give you the list. For the moment, it has slowed down and that's why it's not showing. But normally, when you type that, it will give the name and you can send the message. Anyway, Edmodo it's a LMS, Learning Management System, which help us manage the content. Right? That means you will never miss a lesson. All the lessons will be there. So if you want to watch a lesson again, you can just go and find the link and watch the lesson again. You will never miss a content. And also your grades and your marks will be kept here. That's why Edmodo is useful. And the link also, we will not erase the link. Link is always there. Link is always there. It can be same link, maybe different link, but it will be there in the Edmodo. So that's why it is consistent, not like WhatsApp. Maybe you delete a WhatsApp message or you change your mobile phone, maybe you have erased your WhatsApp message, you left the group accidentally, whatever happens, but you cannot find that. But Edmodo is a clean environment. It has your messages only related to your grade. That's why we recommend this, right? So nothing else to do with that, right? Don't confuse with this. Okay, let's go to our screen.
Sir, what is class or school code?
For the Edmodo, yeah, you can send
Yes.
me a message. I'll send that to you, right? Just send me a message. I'll send that to you. Okay. Is there anyone who have not marked the attendance? I think everyone marked the attendance, right? Okay. So what you have to do? First, right click on your desktop and create a file. Then rename it. So when renaming, I said that. So if you cannot see the extension, please press Windows and E key, Windows button and E key. That will open File Explorer. There, please go to View and mark file name extensions. Right, that's how. Right here, please go to View and tick file name extensions. Then you can see file name as well as the extension. File name as well as the extension. Okay, now we are changing the extension. Okay, we have changed this grade 8 extension to .bat. Grade 8.bat. Then this is my code. This is the code I wrote there. Hello and MD 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 A B C D E F G H. Then let's rewrite the code like this.
Sir, do we always have to write hello?
No need. Without hello also you can write. Just write now this. Please right click on this and edit. Then it will be opened in Notepad. Then remove the hello part. Then write RD, the same command, RD, and save this. Please do this with me if possible. Please do this with me. Otherwise, just look at my screen and you can see that. RD, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Done?
Done, sir.
Okay, after doing, just save this file, save, and close
Okay,
the
sir.
file. And close the file. Then
Okay.
double click it. What will happen?
All will delete.
The folders that you have created will be automatically deleted. It's gone. The first one will create folders, the second one will delete it. Don't worry, if you are just coming today and if you miss the previous day lesson, you might face difficulty in writing these, but don't worry, if you just watch the last day video, this making and deleting files using command prompt is there. Right, okay. So then let's change this file extension now to VBS, grade8.vbs. VBS, Visual Basic Strips, or VBS. Just change this to VBS now. Don't double click, right? Just change this to VBS. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then right click and edit it. Then right click and edit it.
Okay, sir.
Then right click and edit it. What will happen?
It will open with Notepad.
It will open with Notepad. Right click, edit, it will open with Notepad. Then write this. Then write this command. MSGBOX. Then write small message. I love viruses. Close the brackets. Save this.
Sir, can you keep it for a while?
Yeah, sure. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, save this and then double click on the file. Save this and then double click on the file. Don't write this, right? The new codes don't write. Just save the file. Just save the file and double click on the file.
Okay, sir.
What will happen?
It shows that I love virus.
It's okay, it shows that I love virus. Okay, just add this code also. Just add this code too. Dim I for I equal 1 to 10, then message box, then next. Then save it and then try this. What will happen? Yes, save this and then try. So it should be some name.vbs and you write this code. What will happen?
That message will come 10 times.
Yes,
About 10 times.
that message will now it's annoying message. It will come 10 times, right? So you can make it 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 or 1 million, right?
Sir, it shows Windows script host with the
Yeah, because I think your code is wrong, Puta. That's why. If you get something like that, your code is wrong. So please check whether you wrote the same. Dim I for I equal 1 to 10. Dim I for I equal 1 to 10. Message box, the message, then next. Please check whether you wrote the same. Right, that's why that message comes. Otherwise, this should be displayed for 10 times. If you put 100, 100 times, if you put 1,000, 1,000 times, right? Okay. Yes.
I put about 20 zeros.
Don't do this. So then don't tell me that your machine got stuck. Right? So after running this, your machine will start. It's never ending. It's like very large loop. So maybe you get an error. Okay. So now from that, what we have learned, we have to write down that. So I just want you to learn something. We have given you small exercise. Just before writing this note, because IT is just practicing. Right? You have to understand and then write. So we will have 3 minutes, and after 3 minutes, we will be disconnected automatically. But don't worry, please use the same link and connect again. Then you will be here.
Sir, now I can't delete those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 folders. It shows that specify the location and try again.
Yeah, I think again, the problem is that you have not wrote the code again proper way. So is it VBS now? Don't confuse
No,
with the files, right? DOCX, sorry, BAT file.
yes.
Okay, send me a screenshot, then I'll explain what went wrong. Okay, let's write this quickly, right? Because we are going to disconnect within 2 minutes. We have to reconnect, and so today's topic, what we have learned, we have to write now. Okay, so what we have learned is this. First point number 1. We have to open a file to edit it. That is first point. We know we have to open a file to edit it. The second point, opening application will depend on the file extension. Opening application will depend on the file extension. Example, if it is .txt, the application is Notepad. If it is .jpg, the application is what? If it is .docx, what is the application? If it is .pptx, what is the application? If it is .xlsx, what is the application? Yes? Yes, you can tell. If it is JPG, what is the application? It's picture
Paint.
Yes, picture viewer or paint or whatever. If it is docx, Microsoft Word. If it is pptx, Microsoft PowerPoint. If it is Excel SX, it is Microsoft Excel. If it is .bat, command prompt. Yes.
Sir, I accidentally put 100 to that, and if that I love viruses, it comes, it doesn't stop.
So it doesn't all stop. Now you have to click 100 times in the OK button and then it will stop, right? For sure. Oh, you have to restart the machine maybe. Right, okay. Bat dot, then what else? So dot MOV or dot MPG O dot mkv